I've joined by Sachin Pilot. What is your response to what is happening and how do you see
The
it?
whole world knows that the agencies and the state power is being used to target the opposition. On this particular case, there are no transactions, there is no exchange of money or land or monetary benefits to anybody. It's a non-profit entity started decades ago by the Congress leadership. So to target the family, Mrs. Gandhi and Rahul Gandhi, specifically is just to demoralize the public and the cadre. The Congress party is committed to fighting it out legally. I have full faith in the Indian judiciary. Like in Mr. Rahul Gandhi's case, ultimately the defamation case was heard in the Supreme Court. Justice was done. Even in this case, we have full faith in the judiciary. But the intention, the timing, the actions of the Government of India agencies are very questionable, only targeting the Congress and the opposition. It begs the question that why don't you answer the topical questions of the day? The US tariffs, unemployment, all the questions of Government of India, no answers except attacking the opposition. That's the main time pass of the BJP government. But we'll fight it out on the streets as well as in the courts.
Time is, of course, going to be the long factor. You'll ultimately, as you said, it's going to take a long, drawn-out battle in the court. So how are you going to, this is going to be a political case. How do you take this forward from there?
It's a purely political case. The whole world knows it. But I'm absolutely confident in the jurisprudence of this country. We will get justice. But these are all tactics to slow down the momentum against the BJP. And Mr. Gandhi is leading from the front. Mrs. Gandhi's political track record is there for everyone to see. So I think it's unfair to target just the opposition. That's what the BJP does best. But I'm absolutely sure that truth will prevail, justice will prevail, सत्यमेव जयते होगा और हम लोग संघर्ष करते रहेंगे इस प्रकार की कार्रवाई के खिलाफ.
Some will say for the Congress party, this is definitely an awakening movement. For some will say that they haven't been able to get, and you haven't got your organization across. You're trying to do the districts, revive it, but
last
this is
year,
still wrong.
the June 2004 Lok Sabha verdict, 400 par they were claiming, 242 they got, V50 became 100.
But
India
after,
Alliance.
but after that you lost all the states.
Arey Baba, India Alliance is 232, NDA is 290. The difference is minuscule today. I think it has rattled some people and they're trying to make sure that the Congress party is not able to work. They seized our bank account before elections. So the actions of the agencies are very clear. I have faith in the judiciary, but this is a political case. We'll fight it out both ways.
We'll fight it out. That's the point that Sachin Pilot is making as the crowds continue to come across here at the Congress headquarters to make a political point about how things proceed. So definitely here, as Sachin says, it's a political case for the Congress. Even though it's a long road, they are refusing to say at this present juncture that they have to get their own house in order if they have to take on the Narendra Modi BJP-led government.